All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Chevy Camaro. It is the RS package. It's beautiful silver with black interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, super nice. Only 27,000 miles on this vehicle, minimum damage. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty darn nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. Does have some curbing coming around. I'll say 10 or more just to engulf it all. Let's check out your tire tread, which is just a hairline over 4/32. This door looks good. This quarter looks good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. Does have some curbing all the way around. Call it 10 or more just for you guys. Curbing tire thread here is under 4/32. Here's a rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to that one. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Actually, this one here does have a little hole here, as you can see, a little burn mark. Power seat there. Check out your you can see I'll turn it on, but it is on. You got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and like this stuff. You got your AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues in your mileage of 27,885. You do have a tire pressure light on. You got your one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Open up the trunk here. Boom. Open up the trunk here. Rear bumper looks good. This looks good. This is what your trunk space looks like. Obviously very short for right now, but my guy right now is gonna open up the top. There you go with the quick action. Boom. And there it folds nice. Very nice. I'll show you what the trunk looks like. These things come off like that and settle down. And then of course, oops. Then here you got your run flat system with your owner's manuals down there. And that's what your trunk space looks like. Pretty big and spacious for a little convertible vehicle. All right, no, Edgar. We'll show you what it looks like with the top down, how the motion works here. Very effing cool. Very cool. All right, and here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. Does it have some curbing? It's got some curbing, 3, 6, about 9-inch curbing there. Let's check out your tire tread, which is hairline over 4/32. See a dent here? Some paint off, less than 1 inch, but it is there on the quarter. The door looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front passenger seat, likewise, no hole. Rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, or rips. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, or rips. That one. Fender looks good. Seems to have a little dinging here. PDR work, and here's your front passenger rim. It is curved up. I'll say 10 or more just to engulf that. The entire thread here is just a hairline over 4/32. And that completes the tour. All lights are working, car is running, stuff is working. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Chevy Camaro RS package with 27,000 miles. If you have any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.